Hi, and welcome to this one2host tutorial on how to install and uninstall web applications on your hosting solution. We assume you're already logged into your control panel, and this is like the main screen of the control panel. And if you only have one domain available, the control panel will automatically choose that domain. Otherwise, you have to choose which domain you want to install your application on. For this test, we're going to we only have one application. We only have one domain available on this client account, so we're just going to click Web Applications, and it will automatically choose the domain available on this client account. And as you can see, we have no web applications at the moment. So we click the button Install Web Application, which brings us to the database of all the web applications available with your one2host hosting solution. You can either search for a specific name, or you can browse through the categories and find an application that fits your needs. So we're going to click on blog. We're going to install WordPress today, just for a test to show you how it's done. But as you can see, there are plenty of other applications available. We're going to click install at the WordPress blogging tool, so we just click install, which brings us to the license agreement, and you have to read the license agreement and check the checkbox I agree. If you agree. If you don't agree, then find some other blogging tool to install. Then you click next, which brings us to the page with all the preferences for the installation of this application. So we're just going to fill it out real quick. We're going to install it in the document root, and we're going to add a quick password for the MySQL database, and we're going to add an administrative login and a password for the administrator, so you can access the blog. And we're going to give him an email and a weblog title. We're just going to call it test, because this is just a test. And then we click install. This brings you to the page where you can choose either to remove all the files from the document root directory, or you can choose to keep files. If this is your first application installation, we recommend that you remove all files in the document root directory. If you have some data on your domain you want to keep, just choose keep the existing files right here. But we do recommend that you remove all files in the document root directory, so make sure that you get a clean installation with no conflicts. Then we click next, and after a couple of seconds, here you go, you have installed your first web application. You can see this is right here. You have the web application, and out here you have a button to access the web application. You can either access the blog or the administrative interface. You can upload themes and plugins and stuff like that. But we're not going to keep the WordPress on this domain, so we're going to remove it again. It's very simple. You just click the application you want to uninstall, and then you click remove. Then you are asked to confirm the removal of the application, and you just click confirm removal and OK. And there you go. You have removed your first web application. Remember, you don't remove it entirely, you only remove it from your domain, so you're always able to install it again if you change your mind. You can install as many applications as you want, and you can uninstall them all again. So, thank you very much for watching this tutorial by one2host.